Hey guys, Digital Reg here, and I have another phone to unbox today. This time it's the OPPO A9 2020. Now the OPPO A9 2020 was just launched last week. So and we already received a review unit. Actually, we were able to play with an evaluation unit prior to the launch, and we really like the phone. But for the purpose of formalities here, since OPPO Philippines sent us a complete set of the OPPO A9 2020, might as well do my unboxing ceremonies. So let's go ahead and unbox this baby. Right, the OPPO A9 2020 comes with a 6.5-inch screen with a water drop design. When I talk about water drop, it means the teardrop design where the front camera is placed. It's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor. Haven't really tried this processor before, so it's my first time to use a phone with such processor. What I also like about the A9 2020 is it comes with a generous amount of storage at 128 gigs, which is also expandable with a microSD card, and it comes with 8 gigs of memory. So for its price in the mid-range section, this is probably the most affordable phone that you can get with 8 gigs of RAM. So it already has these high-end specs for the cost for less than 20,000 pesos. It has a large battery capacity of 5,000 milliampere. So man, this phone is really packed, right? So I suppose this is the silicone case with a SIM card ejector, and the OPPO A9 2020 is here. I'm gonna put that over there, and we have the OPPO charger, we have a pair of earphones, and we have a Type-C USB cable. Now, from what I know, this charger, it doesn't come with VOOC charging, so it doesn't come with fast charging. It doesn't guarantee that you'll be able to charge your A9 2020 as fast as the F11 Pro or the OPPO Reno, but yeah, we'll find out how long would it take to charge the A9 2020 with its ordinary charger. Let's put the accessories aside, and this is the phone. Let's remove the plastic here. Alright, so the color that I was able to get for this review, for this evaluation unit, is blue. There's a specific color name for this blue. There's the other one is green. I was able to use the green colorway a couple of weeks back, but the blue is actually nice. Makes me feel young. It looks young. It makes me feel young as well, and it's vibrant. You know, you have the Type-C port right in the center. You have the speaker grill on the left side, and thank goodness it still comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack. Phones nowadays are now removing the headphone jack, but for this mid-range phone, they are still able to retain that feature. Then you have the volume rocker on the left side of the phone. power button is on the right side of the phone, if you're be able to see it. And the SIM card tray is found here on this on the left side of the phone as well. Now, at the back of the phone is the triple camera, and I'm gonna talk more on that later. And again, the front camera comes it's located at the top where the teardrop design is found. This is what the OPPO A9 2020 looks like when it's turned on. So we've already set up the phone. Google settings have already been installed, and there are a few security settings to set up here. If you want to protect your phone, you can use the fingerprint scanner, which is found at the back of the phone, or you can use the face recognition. With the Snapdragon 665 processor, and based on my research, it's definitely a processor built for mid-range smartphones, and probably an alternative to the Snapdragon 710. But so far, that's all I know, and this is why I'll be doing some tests on the phone's performance as well as gaming. Now, OPPO said that gaming on this phone, together with the Snapdragon processor and the 8 GB of RAM, as well as the game booster function found in this phone. So game booster is, I believe, is part of this app, and this would boost your gameplay and improve your game's performance. We'll be testing on that in the next few days. Let me talk about the phone's camera. I stand corrected of what I said earlier. I mentioned that it has a triple camera system. Actually, it comes with a quad camera system, and that's composed of 48 megapixels, 8 megapixels, and a couple of 2 megapixel shooters. So far, I've taken a few shots during my brief initial testing with the OPPO A9 2020. You can see in your screens, and shots look great. And but these are just initial photos that I've taken, testing the camera in different lighting conditions, especially at nighttime, and see if OPPO can deliver these fantastic shots even during at night. So right, so that's our unboxing for the OPPO A9 2020, and I'll be coming back very soon to report how my experience was with the OPPO A9 2020. So that's it for now, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till then, take care and see you next time.